welcome back to Wanna Watch Me Code. Today we're going to get back to some Riscv work, and the idea here is we will want to get multiple Riscvs talking to my desktop at once. Previously we updated it so that each Riscv would have its own unique IP address. But when we connected multiple to my laptop at the same time, only one of them was broadcasting to dumpster fire. So we're going to go ahead and try and fix that. One thing to note is there is a bug with the ocean stack. So basically this callback was undefined, so I just put a null check on it so that it doesn't throw exceptions. So that's the only thing I touched here. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'll just go ahead and attach one of the Riscvs and show you where we're at with that, and we'll SSH in. So let's go. So Ocean is running, Dumpster Fire is running, and if we go here, let's refresh. We'll wait for the record to come through, and it did. And we can go ahead, get our IP, and go over to, let's see, one sec. Okay, go here, and then we'll do SSH root at that IP address. It'll maybe take a little bit. Okay, let's try again. There we go, yes, and then, whoops, enter the password, and we're in. Okay, so in here we got our stuff, and if we go to etc init.d, we have these files, and the one is S99.1 start report. So that's our script to call dumpster fire. Then we have S001 set IP, and this is where we actually set the IP of the device, which is okay. So run USB probe. I wonder, let's see what this originally looked like, if I can find it. Let's do files, let's go to, is it documents? No, downloads, Linux, documents, where? Let's go make this a little bigger. Boot in partition disk, OBS recordings, downloads. Which one is it under? Wow, where is it? Let's go to home and search for it. Let's go search Riscv. There we go. Riscv was this. Oh, so it is. Okay. Let's go to, so we're in it. And then let's go to, what is it, etc. Is it in here? Arch, certs, documentation, drivers, net, user, vert, tools. Let's go back to downloads, open it up, include, okay, knit, no. I'm not sure what these are. Let's go to kernel. Let's go search in here for etc. Or let's do, what are we looking for? Let's go exit this, ls, la. Let's do SO2. SO2. O2. Okay, SO2. Let's go back to home, search, SO2, syslog d. No. Okay, so I'm not sure where that lives. We had an image, right? Let's go here. Where is my terminal now? Okay, here. Alright, well, let's just, let's do wanna watch code. Milk V. Here we go. Can I decompile this image? Oh, did it mount it? Oh, there we go. Okay, let's go to, okay, got it now. Let's go to, is this it? Media, etc. initd. We got SOO. Okay, so SOO, I guess I added, yeah, okay, set IP. 01, where's 01? ON syslog D. Random, let's go to network. Actually, let's go to network on our John. Fim net, S 40. Okay, IF up, IF down, stop. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's go tab. Zoom in a little bit. CD. What are we looking for? Let's go to CD media. LS CD. Wanna watch my code? LS. Okay. LS roots. Sudo ls roots. Nope, nothing in there. Where do I see USB 0 in terminal? Okay. Mount USB. CD mount USB. There's no USB. I'm so confused. LS. Let me disconnect this actually, see what's going on. Let's quit this, log out, exit, okay, and do, let's do ls, and then let's disconnect it and see what we see. Ls, still there, okay. What is going on? I'm so, mount, change directory, cd mount, let's type ls, mount USB, don't mount. ls dev tty. Okay, let's plug it back in. Try that ls mount tty. Access Riscv USB Linux mount. Super user. USB milk v duo. To access USB drive on milk v duo Linux, you can. Okay, check if the device detected. Use the ls dev sd to check if the device is connected. Mount the USB drive. Okay. I don't think this is cd dev. Oh, is this it? LSOA. Is there, okay, USB, Vox USB, USB, BIM USB. What is dev anyway? Let's go back. What is in dev Linux? Short for device and refers to dev directory which contains. Okay, so this is probably what we want. Let's go to cd USB ls and then let's disconnect it. Let's close that. Ls. Nope. LSLA. Okay, LSLA. Okay, let's plug it back in. How do I set device name Linux? Open activities overview, start typing system. Let's go, let's do check device name Linux. Host name, press enter. Type host name. Okay, let's go to, let's go here, let's go, let's SSH in again. Let's get the port 192.3.5. Yes, and get the password, host name, Milkfeed Duo. Let's see, do host names have to be unique? No two devices on same network cannot have the same host names. Okay. Dynamically, actually let's go here, host name, host, no, not here. Oh, can I actually, let's do exit, the host name is Milkfeed Duo. No, okay. Dynamically set host name on boot Linux. Use a host tail command to modify the default configuration at that. For example, set host name. Verify the change. Use host name command to display. Okay. Generate random string Linux. My favorite way to do this is dev random together with tr to delete unwanted characters. Okay, so let's try that. Let's do random dev / random. Let's do what? Denied sudo. Wait, how's permission denied? ls dev random lsla -la. It is read write. So sh dev random. No, it's not sh. How do you, what? Why is it not? Dev random. Okay, head dev random. Okay, what is okay, let's try this. Oh, cool. All right. So let's copy this. Let's go ls. Let's do. Wait, where are we? pwd. We're in root. Let's do make their scripts. Let's do make their scripts. So use scripts. Them. random key dot sh. Let's do just that same thing. Go paste, save, and let's go vim. I want to get the shebang we need. Micro servers, scripts. There we go. Let's do vim random key. Let's go the shebang, bash shebang. Bin bash. So bin bash, use env to find bin bash. There we go. Paste that in there. Oh, what? Where did this come from? Okay, paste. I don't know what these are. Okay, and get our command again. Okay, what did we use? We used this. It says it's way more accurate. And then we'll go change mod 777, random key, random key. Okay. So let's do host name. Okay, so we got our host name. So let's do vim. Okay, I'm doing tons of typos. Do move random key, random key, and then let's go up, remove sr dash r, and then let's go to etc init d ls, and then let's see S40 network, starting network, stopping network. Okay, and then how do we set host name again? What did it say? Host CTL command. Okay, ls, let's do vim s00. We'll do set IP with okay. I've config USB 0. Okay, and then let's go down and do if host name equals milk v. What's the host name again? Let's close this, milk v, or host name. CD S0 or vim S00 set IP milk v duo, then and phi. We'll do host. Let's do get this host name CTL. Paste. Hostname CTL. Set hostname. Let's do new name equals equals scripts, or let's do root slash script slash what was it, random key.sh, and then pipe that into how do you do, is it like echo 1 dash, let's do milk v duo dash random dash 1. Okay, let's try that. Let me comment these out real quick too. Let's go. Okay, this also needs to be no space. And this should be in this. Right? Or no, is it like, oops. Maybe it's like this. And like this. I think. Let's do copy that. Let's do paste that. No. Let's copy this. Copy. Paste. And root scripts random key.sh. Oh my gosh. Move root scripts. Okay. Echo new name. Nope, didn't work. Okay, how do you, okay, let's go, concat string from pipe, and, okay, bash, input awk, okay, awk, there's that just print string. Okay, print. What? Okay, I guess I gotta do that then. Let's go here. Unexpected token. Maybe I can just get rid of these. Oops. Go new name. Nope. I guess print. Print. There we go. Okay, so let's copy that. I'll just do that. And then do paste. Let's delete this. Go some CTL, set host name. Let's go back. New name. Actually, let me go and copy there. Let's do copy. Oh. Copy. I'm just gonna comment this all out because this is in the boot, so I wanna test it first. Vims. Let's do LSLA as 0, 0. Okay. Use a hostname command with a new name as an argument. This will only change the name of the current session. Okay. Set host. S00 set IP. Let's do this, yank that. Go vim host name. Oh my gosh, what is this shebang again? Bin bash. Paste. Let's do print or echo. Current host name is host name updating echo updating host name. Let's do host name to new name. Okay. And then let's just do commenting this out. Okay, let's do change mod 77. What do we got here? What are these permissions? Change mod. XRX. Okay, let's see. change file permissions to another file's permissions. Linux. Okay, directory permissions, no. Okay, so let's do change mod set or s00 set hostname -- reference s01 syslog the lsla change mod reference s00 set IP s00 set hostname LSLA vim rc.local. What is rc local? Okay, LSLA and then we'll do one more oh wait, I didn't do it as s00 set hostname reference s01 LSLA, and then we'll do set IP LSLA and then we'll do, what's the other one? RC local and 991 start. That's 991. Okay, there we go. So let's now do execute s00 set hostname. Okay, let's do vim s00 set hostname and do let's uncomment it. Let's do this. Let's go here, set hostname. Okay. Oh, I got it. I forgot this. There we go. Okay. Now let's do uncomment this. Let's do, okay, echo host name. Or just type host name. What? How does it EQ? Hostname milk v duo. Hostname CTL. That's not what it was it? Does hostname CTL not exist? Hostname CTL. Hostnames. Okay, so I guess that doesn't work, so you might have to write to it directly. Check the existing host name, modify the value, open the file, etc. host, and change the domain if required. And etc. host. Whoops. Name. Oh, okay, that should be easy. So vim set host name. We'll just do echo, and then etc. / host name. OS, LSLA, etc. So is it host name? Last I did it then. Okay. Let's execute host name. Why does it say EQ? Okay. Echo host name. I got it. Okay. So let's do let old. Oops, not let old host name equals host name. Host name, old host name. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's do host name, host name. Okay. Nope. Host name milk v duo. Host name set host name. Okay. Let's go vim here, set host name. Gotta put the $sign. Okay, one sec. Anyone here, by the way? Let's see. No, it doesn't look like it. Okay, so let's do vim smoke v2 vim set host name. Let's do echo. Wait. Old. Or let's do host name. Now let's do new. Let's go. Let's do. Let's go new tab and do equals bash variable. var1, okay, so it's got to be in quotes. Oops. Milk v duo command off. Line 5, okay. It's gotta be in brackets. Is it 2? No. There you go. Host name. Nope. And host, it's etc. host. Nope. Then else also etc. Time, date. So it looks like it did update it, so let's do vim host name, etc. host name. Oh, it's there. Host name. Okay, so I guess we might have to restart something. Default host name for instance is usually set the local host. This is exactly what I'm trying to do. This is attempt. Okay, okay, vim, etc. host name. Vim set host name. Let's do ls. Let's do now s00. Let's do s. Where's network? S40 network. Vim. Restart. Whoops. Let's restart. Let's do host name. Nah. Let's do. Okay. Let's do set host name after writing to etc. host name. Host name. Replace the host name with your choice. Save in file. Okay. Pnat. I don't have host name CTL. Okay, do I have a system CTL? I should, right? System CTL. Why? No, CTL commands, Riscv. Is the instruction set. Why is system? Wait, is it system CTL? Sudo vim, etc. hosts. Okay, let's try reboot. Let's go to vim set vim @00 set host name. Let's just comment this out. And then echo host name is host name. @01 set host name. Okay, so reboot There we go. And we'll go and do, you know what I should do? I should do something similar with the IP and only, so it's still red. It's blinking blue now. I should set the IP only if it's not already unique. 192.149. 149, right? Yeah. 168.142. Uh-oh. Damn it. Did I corrupt this? Let me just do the whole thing. Paste. Let's unplug and plug back in. Refresh. 1, 2. It's blinking blue now. 117. There we go. Maybe I was looking at the wrong IP, maybe. Yes. Yes. Oops. And then, so cool, our host name is updated. Let's go back to, etc. Oops. CD, etc. init d ls fem s00 set IP. Let's do, what do we do? How do you get your IP? IP. How to get just your private IP Linux. IP address show. Okay. IP address show. Okay, let's see. So this is what I'm wondering about, this USB 0, right? 117, iNet 117, scope global USB 0. USB 0 IP, is that what it is? I've configured USB 0, netmask 255 into startup script. Is it 117 E0? It's IPv6 it looks like. Loopback. So it looks like we got it. So show let's tunnel USB 0. Dash F. Okay, IP address help. Man, IP edge. No man? Oh man. Alright. Anyone here? Nope, no one here. 1 2 USB 0. There we go. iNet. Let's do ifconfig USB 0. Edge. iNet edge. Get only IP from iNet ifconfig. Oh, let me see. Host name dash I. Nope. Oh, it's public IP address. View the term. Dash I. Let's try this. Okay, let's do ifconfig, paste. ifconfig USB 0. Okay, and then let's copy this. Copy vim s00 set IP. Let's do echo getting existing IP, and then we'll do existing IP equals, paste that. Nope. Paste. And like that. I guess we can stay consistent. And then we'll do if existing IP equals 127 dot does not equal 127 dot 168 dot 0 dot or dot 42. What's the default? Okay, let's go how to where's the Milkweed Duo documentation again? Here we go. 192.421.1. Then phi. Oops. Then phi. And then we'll do echo IP has already been updated to non-default of existing IP. Echo skipping set IP net script exit 0. Right, let's see. Okay, let's just copy this and test it out in the terminal. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Copy. Oh my gosh. Then root temp dot sh. Paste it in. Okay, right quit. sh. USB not found. USB 0 not found. Got to do this. Skipping a netd script. Okay, cool. So let's do vim set IP, and this will be and then let's go to out and then do set S00 IP. Cool. Got that. And then let's do restart or reboot. See if it boots up. And let's go to localhost. Only problem is okay, 192. Is that what it was? 178? No. 96. Weird. Why'd it get updated? Okay, let me SSH. What was it? 178. Let's do 117. One sec. 192. 16821. Okay, so that didn't seem to work. Let's go to let's do cd etc. initd and then go ls vim s00 set IP. Oh wait, is that the right address? 127. Let's see. Where was the Riscv documentation? Here we go. 192.168.42.1. Let's go. Oh, whoops. Maybe it's because, no, but. Oh, you know what? Okay. Because. So what's going on here? I think because it's, so let me see. Permanently, actually view init logs. Check if you have var log boot. Okay, let's go vim var log boot. Messages. Getting existing IP. Echo getting existing IP. Syslog these startup BusyBox. Built one zone with memory. OSLA vim var log messages. Var log messages. So it is this. USB hub found. One port detected. Okay. This is actually pretty cool. I can get stuff out of this. Let me see. Oh, nobody here. Memblock OP2. Child connection from exit. Okay. LNS vim S00. Set IP. Echo. Existing IP is default of updating. And we'll do existing IP. Okay. Let's go set S001 set IP. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so let's go back, set IP Linux. Login root start determine fconfig-a record and print the current interfaces. Replace ethax with that, press enter. You can also use IP command from IP route tool collection to configure network addresses. To set or change hostname permanently, you need to edit the hostname, etc. host. Setting IP address. No, I'm gonna change IP address in Linux. IP IP command dev eth making IP address. Then etc. network interfaces. Oh. So if I do this as 2, what happens? Reboot. Okay, so that's what I need to do. Let's refresh this. 192.168.42.2. Cool. Oh no, that didn't work. It's 9.4 now. Okay, I don't know why. Vim or SSH. Was it 91 or something? 94. Yes. Okay, and let's do Vim. Check the logs. Vim var log messages. Let's go. Let's do grep. Cat var or etc. Net 00 net .d s00 set IP. Grab. Let's do existing IP is default. And var log messages. IP. Var log boot vim var log boot USB. Vim LSLA vim cd etc. init d ls vim 00 set IP. Center network. Okay, I have an idea. Check if file exists. Linux. Okay, let's do. Let's get rid of this. Let's go to. Let's do. Let's do this. Oops. Let's copy this. And we'll do new IP subnet. So we'll do new IP last subnet equals paste. And we'll do if test if paste. I copied the whole thing. Let's see where to put configuration files Linux. Etc. / let me see something. Oops. Let's do C touch non-existing dir / temp.txt. Source no. Create file and subdirectory Linux and directory at same time Linux. Time make dir touch. Okay, so can I do make there's temp and touch temp / new.txt. -p then temp or lsla temp temp. Okay, so let's copy that. Copy. IP override. TXT. Okay. So bash else. Okay, it's just else. Okay, echo, and we'll do IP, etc. IP override .txt file exists, and we'll do new IP last subnet, new IP equals cat etc. IP override .txt. D paste echo etc. IP override .txt file does not exist. Echo using IP and writing to etc. IP override .txt. Echo new IP. I should do IP. Etc. IP override .txt. Or what was I gonna use? -p etc. etc. Custom overrides. Custom overrides. Probably gonna have a typo in here at some point. Custom overrides /IP. Custom overrides. Custom overrides. There we go. We got a typo ready. Yank. Quit. Actually, not yank. Copy. Vim. Root. Temp. Paste. Okay, let's do that root. Oops. Root temp. Permission denied. What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. sh root temp. Unexpected that. Custom overrides slash that. And also we need where is line 5 not found? Also, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arithmetic syntax error. Oh wait. Okay, then where's random? Oh no. Paste. Oh my gosh. One not found. we're gonna do override path equals etc. IP overrides. Override path slash yank we'll do this. Copy these, try and run them again. Let's do, just do fim. Paste it. I'll just go ahead and do V. Then, okay, cool. We looks like we got it. Then, etc. overrides IP override dot text. Then, etc. overrides no. Using echo, using IP let's do, oops, copy this, copy quit, and root temp, paste, there we go. And now let's do remove, etc. overrides, IP overrides. 142, 142, 142, and then let's go up. Let's do set as 00, set IP. Alright, so let's now remove that again. Let's do reboot. Let's go back here. It's blank and blue, we got it. So it's going to be 19214. So 119. 119. ifconfig reboot. And it's red again. Let's wait for it to boot up and we will. So 119. It's still booting. Oh, still booting. Oh, there we go. Blue. Should get a ping soon. Let's do Control F. Yep, same. Cool. You got it. Okay, so now what? Now what? So we got, okay, so we got, let me get the host name. Is the host name the same? No, V. Let's get the host name. Copy. Log out. Actually, what was it before? Can I SSH by host name? Exit. Actually, let's do milk reboot, and then we'll do echo paste, and then we'll do. So it's still booting. Okay, it's blinking blue. Let's refresh. Okay. Cool, host name is the same. Okay, alright, so we got that. Alright, let's see. Exit. Okay, now let's try and plug in multiple of these. See if maybe since it's a unique host name. Actually, can I SSH root at paste? No. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's plug her in. Refresh. Whoops. Still booting. Still booting. Still booting. Why is it taking so long? Anyone here, by the way? Let's go to chat. No, no one here. Anyone in the huh, one person maybe? How you doing? Whoa, why is it not booting? This one is not booting now. replace the SD card. Alright, so I think maybe the SD card on this thing is bad. So let me open up another one and provision that. So it's going to take a while. Let me get that SD card. Oops. Where is it? New SD card. Yeah, I got these really cheap Johns here. The really cheap SD cards, so they're not working very well. Okay, get that out, get this. Gonna plug it in. Let's get our good one. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in. Oh wait, where are we gonna plug it in? Where is it? Okay, let me just unplug the power. Let me just make sure I can. Okay, let's see, we got disk, 940 MB device, 268 drive, wait, 268 drive, CRW. Okay, let's disconnect the old one. File system partition. Okay, what we're gonna do is we are going to where is it? Let's get this out. Going to get the image off of, or whatever, the file system off of the old one, and clone it over, hopefully. So let's go 128. We got boot, root fs, file system. So we want to take, can we take multiple of these at once? Let's do this, create partition image, disk image SDA1, Riscv, device 1, backup. Boot volume, for new SD card. Okay, start creating. Okay, there's the boot. Let's do this. Let's do create partition image, root fs, create partition image, root fs, milk v device 1 for new SD card. Okay, start creating. Let's go to files. Let's go to documents. Okay. And that is good. Now let's go here. Let's do restore disk image. No. Create partition image, restore partition image. Go here. This is 9:15, so I'll do that. Start restoring. Restore. Whoa, this is pretty quick. Maybe these aren't all junk. Oh, whoops. Edit partition. Alright, cancel. Let's do can I edit this? Okay, so let's do partition. Format partition. Okay, let's see what we have for this one. MB fat. So it's 195 fat 32. Volume name. Riscv Duo 2. Freeze with fat. Other. Freeze with fat. Next. Format. Go here. This is 134 MB. Okay, let's do create partition image benchmark partition. Wait, what? I'm confused. How do I format? Okay. Okay, cool. Now let's do create partition 134 MB. 134 MB, right? Volume name. Root. Create. So let's do, can we extend this? Edit partition. This is bootable. Actually, let's delete this. Format, no, not format. Let's format everything. Create. You know what? I'm gonna go here. Let's just do everything. Create disk image. Disk image SDA1, full disk, Riscv1, or full disk. Milk v1 for acquiring second device. New second SD card. Start creating. Okay, let's just give this some time. 22 minutes though. I will See if this gets any quicker. If not, then I will we'll take a break and let it finish. Okay, so it looks like it's going to take some time. Oh, hey, what's up? People are here. The chat windows on the stream is mirrored. Oh, what do you working for? Yeah, it is mirrored. So I figured that would be cool to have. Are you still here, by the way? Let me see. Yes, cool, you're still here. Yeah, the reason the chat window is mirrored is because my screen resolution here, I can show you, like, there's just it's not what's it called, 16:9 resolution, so there would just be that black box there. So I figured it'd be makes sense to just leave it there and have not a black box, and you can see things and what people are saying. But yeah, you're good. What am I working for? You mean what do I do for work, or what project am I working on? Well, so either one. For work, I work for AWS. So work on actually distributed file systems right now. Oh, this project right now. Oh, okay. Yeah, so right now, what I'm trying to do is basically I bought where is it? Let me just go to Milk V Duo. So I bought I saw like a YouTube video on Riscv, and it's kind of popular now, and I wanted to get more into like low level operating system programming. So I picked up like they're only $5 for these little microcomputers, and they look like this. Like they're the size of like kind of like probably smaller than like a stick of gum. But I bought 16 of these, and then I bought 16 micro SD cards, and the idea is that I would do something with them. So I'm not exactly sure what I actually want to do, but right now I'm basically trying to get them all connected to my device, like in a like network, so that I can like what I'm doing, like write like SSH into them, manage them, and then eventually write some software that'll run on them and do something. I'm not entirely sure what that'll be yet, but I have some ideas of what I could do. But right now what I'm working on is, yeah, like just getting that connection set up. So one of the early issues I had was that basically the devices, if you look at the documentation, they're hard-coded to use the same IP address for the operating system for each of the devices. So because of that, I can't, like, they need to be unique on the local network so that I can access them individually. So what I found is that when I connected multiple of them, they currently aren't connecting. Like only one of them is getting a connection. But yeah, so what I just did, and like one of my previous videos was I edited the like boot files to generate like basically a random IP for each device on boot, and then that still didn't seem to work. So right now I'm trying to get it still working basically. But yeah, so what I just did today was basically instead of setting the IP on boot every time, because every time you plug it in it would have a different IP address, I kind of wanted it to stay consistent so I could just remember whatever the IP address was the last time I checked. And this here is like the ping, so it includes a bunch of, like, this is coming from the little computer itself, and it has like the address so that I was able to, even though it's randomly generated, like it tells me what it is and I can then go and SSH on. But just for like long term, being able to like have a static IP that doesn't change would make it a little easier for me to track like which, device has what software running on it without me having to like kind of do some additional work. The other thing that I did today was setting the host name to be unique. So I generated like that little host name like unique like ID generator. And so as I read just earlier somewhere in these tabs that host name has to be unique. Yeah. So it says the host name within a network has to be unique. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Actually, I could have just encoded the IP address into the host name, which is kind of what like they do for like EC2 instances in Amazon. Your host name's like EC2 dash like whatever the IP is for the host name in public IP usually. But yeah, so that's that. Some ideas I have for what I might do with these is I was thinking it might be like a really good use case for like workflows. So like maybe like setting up something like step functions that AWS has. So like each little Riscv could do like a single action, and then the workflow could chain those actions and workflows together. So like, I don't know, for example, like you might be like, I don't know, what's a good example? I want to give a good example without explaining what I do at work. But basically, like, yeah, like just multiple steps. If you know what like step functions are, like one step could be like, initialize something. Second step could be like start something on that server. Third step could be like set up something else. And then like the last step could be like, I don't know, like, and then like another step could be like run some sort of job for some sort of amount of time. And then when that's done, it goes to another step like on it. And all these steps would be on individual Riscv devices, and then like the last step could like shut down like something that was temporarily being used or something. And so that's kind of where I was going with dumpster fire. Well, I don't know if it'll be dumpster fire, but like I'm thinking about like setting up that will be really cool. Yeah, exactly. That's what I kind of want to do is like a workflow with like a cluster, like distributed work. I mean, it's one idea. But the really unique and cool thing about, well, I think it's cool about this is like each of these only has like, how do I get yeah, each one of these only has, what is it? 256 megabytes of RAM, so like a quarter of a gig, I think, for the version I got, and like 2 cores. So like they can only hold like a very like relatively small amount of data in memory for me to process. So it'll be kind of unique, and then I'll have to worry about like not loading up too much data, probably writing things to file like temp files while I'm not processing them. And just getting like kind of really creative about that. Yeah, programming language. I use like a lot of different ones. So right now for this project, good fit for WebAssembly. Yeah, I actually don't know much about WebAssembly, but doesn't that run in the browser though? Or are you referring to like this little UI I have going that's pretty crappy and just serves its purpose? No, it doesn't. Only work. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I should look into that. Yeah, I've been like, I don't know, on YouTube and stuff. They talk about that a lot. It could work on server. Cool. Well, what if I wrote like just real assembly, like Riscv assembly? Actually, you know what? The problem is like Riscv like has very limited tools. Like if I show you right now, I'll plug back in the little the working Riscv. Like I had so many issues. Like it came to the point where like the thing that is sending this data right here is in shell scripts, because I couldn't find I compiled like a C program in an emulator and deployed it, and like it started, like it was compiled to the right instruction set, but yeah. So is WebAssembly like? Actually, let me look this up. So the problem is like I didn't have like the standard library for C on the device. So like I also wanted to write Rust as well, but the tool chain for compiling it and running it, I have to like kind of build that myself, or like get it into the image for this little operating system that I'm running, and like it's very bare bones and has very little, but it does support Python. So I was writing Python. But yeah, let me look up WebAssembly. Okay, you have runtime WASM. Yeah, I've heard of these things. I just never looked into them. Let me go WebAssembly. Efficient, fast WASM state machine. Let me also bring this up so I can keep watching the chat. Make this a little smaller. Oh wow, I didn't realize. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know Ubuntu would like do that. Yeah, dude, it really does not have much. Like, hold on, am I connected yet? Let me just show you like some of the crap I've been dealing with. Whoops. Okay, here. Okay, so let's SSH on. Okay, so what are we doing? Okay, that's broken. Tab. So SSH. Yeah, nope, wrong one. 117. I think, right? 117. 119. 119. Like it was really rough. It is very limited. Yeah. Is it not? Is it running? Oh crap! I forgot. I do not have the SD card plugged in right now, so I cannot connect because I forgot I'm creating a disk image from it. So 9 minutes left though. We're killing some time. But yeah, so go get WebAssembly. The WASM state machine is designed to be encoded in a size and load time efficient binary format, native speed, common hardware capabilities. One sec. Cool. Safe, memory safe, sandbox execution. May even be implemented inside existing JavaScript virtual machines. When embedded in the web, WebAssembly enforces the same origin, permission, security policies. Yeah, this has been around for a bit, right? Like I've heard of it. I just never. Let me see. From JavaScript code as a CLI application, inspect WebAssembly, run WebAssembly server side. What's it look like? What is... WASM time. Fast and secure. To download the WASM time, run the following, then following. If you got the Rust compiler, then you can take some Rust code. Oh, no way. Oh, so what you're saying is this whole... Is it a... Oh, okay, so Rust will compile into WASM binaries. Okay. I was wondering if it would take the Rust, like be another Rust compiler, but it's just a target. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense. Oh, got it. It's a runtime. Interesting. Wait, what's that? So I forget what's that even mean, because WASM time is runtime. Oh, okay. So is it runtime? So is it like interpreted, or okay? So WASM runtime hello. Oh, so it's not like actually binary. It's like almost like a script, or like almost like Node.js, or am I incorrect here? Like it's not. It's hello WASM, right? So it's a file that isn't what is it, like interpreted by the WASM runtime. Okay, I think I get it. CLI logging hello world. So okay, so that means that, like, what does it mean? So I'm confused though. So got it. So I wonder, so let me see. WASM time on Riscv. Crane lift merges Riscv backend. WASM edge. Yeah, like the thing, like one of the brutal things about the Riscv operating system I'm using, and just like the tininess of the compute capacity, is that it doesn't even have apt-get on there. It has no package manager. So, oh, okay. How we doing here? Still got 5 minutes left. Not too bad. 95 MB a second though. That's pretty good, I feel like, for an SD card. And I hope this one, let me also partition this format. Actually, no, I'm gonna wait because this thing is so flaky, it's probably gonna crash if I try and do two things at once. Okay, I guess, yeah, so what else? I wonder if I can, like, sticky this, and so, let me see, Ubuntu, sticky, window. Sticky windows. Remove the answer. It's a bug not working. Just work for screen edges. You know, I can, what can I do? This probably looks weird, doesn't it? There's like two of these Johns. Oh, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do, dude? I'm just gonna, like, dog pictures. No, we're gonna do space pictures. I'll do this one. This one looks pretty cool. Actually, no. You know what we'll do? I will. Can I do? I want to make this look nice. Let's get a stream manager. Let's do pop out, chat. Did that replace it? Okay, is that gone now? No, it's not gone. Can I, here, let's duplicate this. This is always visible in workspace. Oh, that does work. Cool. That's nice. Okay, let's go down. Okay. Cool. Alright, let me bring this up. Yeah, there we go. And then let's make some dog pictures or something. No. Space pictures vertical. Copy. Or open image in new tab. Close this. Probably shouldn't be doing this right now, but you know. Pull this out. No. Open a new tab. Okay, now let's go to here, and then we'll go like this. We will change this. Properties, screenshots, high transition. Let's make this invisible. Let's go like this. Add image. No, let's just add window. Screen capture. No, not screen capture. Add window capture. Whoops. What did I just do? Add existing. Yeah. Let's do space. And we'll do, which one is it? IPMG. Okay, space pictures, share. Okay, and we'll go like this. Nah, guess not. Probably wrong one. Delete that. Wait, did it finish? Alright, we're just not going to worry about that for now. Let's go to disk. Cool, so it looks like it worked. Let's do partition this. Format disk. Do not overwrite. Compatible with that. Format. Then we'll do restore disk image. And we'll do disk image of SDA to boot in IP. rootfs 1615 rootfs. Cool, this one. Start restoring. Restore. And let's get going. Oh, it's gonna take a while. 2 hours. Alright, well, we can keep talking, I guess. I can also. Wait, shit, which one was it? Okay, it's the bottom one. Let's do. Reject. Okay. Cool. Well, we can at least keep messing with the single Riscv because I cloned the image. Now we should be good. Let's go ahead and get this plugged in. Oh no, I'm dropping stuff. Actually, give me like 2 minutes. I have to run to the bathroom real quick. Be right back.